Our mission hasn't changed. We started Trust and Will to help every family leave their legacy.
We incorporated the business a week before I got married. Got 2 kids now, moved from California to Texas.
As the business has scaled and our lives have gone through all of the events that cause people to edit or create their plan,
The mission has become more real based on how many families that we've helped. To feel confident through our own product about my own family's legacy is very cool. Raising this round of capital means everything to us as co-founders, to our team, but most importantly, the impact that it's going to have on our members.
I just think about how much faster we can continue to move, right? Since the beginning of the company, we've said, how do we build an industry-leading brand?
Yeah.
How do we be a household name? And when we think about this capital, we think about moving as fast as we can against that goal to help more families. When you think about a best-in-class estate planning platform for our members and the professionals, you think about something that's easy, it's connected, and it's intelligent. We're going to continue to make investments in those 3 core pillars. You can create an estate plan, you're managing the estate plan, and then ultimately your estate plan gets used. And I think that AI can make each one of those experiences easier and more intelligent along the way.
And to have hundreds of thousands of families that we've helped today and hopefully millions or tens of millions in the future, like, it feels like we're closer to it. And that's where I think there's this urgency to want to move faster, even at the size and scale that the business is at today.